Sean nandito na eh. Kasi nag-text na sa akin eh. On the way na. Di ba? On the way na me.
Ay, tinawagan ako.
At tinawagan ka? Ano sabi sa'yo? On the way na siya.
Sabi niya, I'll be there in a bit.
Okay. So, ang kailangan lang po natin gawin ngayon is to behave, ano? And to be patient.
That's right. Nako, eto na po, ladies and gentlemen. I know that you're all excited to see them. Can we have a round of applause?
Hindi, wait na. Reminder, sa lahat po na may mga digital cameras, ilabas nyo na po ngayon. Ilabas nyo na ngayon.
Can we have a round of applause for the cast of You Changed My
Presenting John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo!
Alright! Hello, and welcome to Mega Mall Cinema 9 for the premiere of You Changed My Life.
There you go! And I know they have been also excited to see you. Lahat sila nandito last year na. The first movie pa lang, nandito na sila lahat and they're all very excited makita lang kayong dalawa.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo tonight. Last year din, maraming salamat sa pag-supportan niyo sa A Very Special Love. And hopefully kung magustuhan ninyo ang You Changed My Life.
John Lloyd!
Ready na ba kayo? Ito na ang pinakahihintay niyong sequel to A Very Special Love. And kami naman po, we made it even better. We're hoping to meet your expectations and sana we can give you a different or a very special kind of feeling this time. And a very special kind of high after watching this movie. Maraming salamat for coming out tonight to watch this movie. Para po sa inyo lahat to. And now I give you my lovely Director Garcia Molina.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Bye, Jessica. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Hey, wait! I want to thank first Bio Jessic. Maraming salamat for this event. Ayun, Bio Jessic, mabuhay kayo. Thank you very much. Everyone, ingat.
And you know the people brought in here actually, they had a game before, yun nila. And part of